up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Genesis. Today, well, you guys already read the title. We are doing a seafood mukbang, and it's with me and my husband for the first time. We're gonna play a game of Uno. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned. Go ahead and like this video down below. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go. Sharp cheddar cheese for us. This is gonna go in our red lobster cheddar baked biscuits. Yes. Alright, so now I am going to add my eggs. This thing is pretty hot. Very hot. Ooh, look at that boil. We did add some chopped onions as well. We didn't get that on film. But since it's just us two, we're gonna add 4 eggs. guys really enjoyed today's video. We had so much fun cooking together our first seafood boil, and unfortunately we got so excited we totally forgot to leave the crab legs and the boiled eggs on this final photo. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you guys can see part 2, where we're actually sitting down and enjoying the food and playing Uno together. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe. Bye.